For decades, we believed Saturn's rings and its moons were ancient relics from the birth of our solar system, unchanged for billions of years. But new research has shattered that assumption. Scientists now believe that Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and the iconic ring system we know today were born from a violent collision just 400 million years ago. Saturn's rings have always been iconic, but they've also been puzzling. For years, scientists assumed they formed alongside Saturn itself over 4 billion years ago. But the evidence kept pointing elsewhere. The rings are too bright, too pure, and too massive for their age. Studies of their composition, interactions with nearby moons, and the rate at which they're being polluted by micrometeorites all suggested something shocking. Saturn's rings might only be a few hundred million years old. This is Hyperion, one of the strangest moons in the solar system. Unlike Saturn's other major moons, Hyperion is irregularly shaped, tumbling chaotically through space, and has an incredibly low density. Its surface looks like a sponge covered in deep craters and porous material. Hyperion is locked in what's called a 4-to-3 orbital resonance with Titan. For every 4 orbits Hyperion makes around Saturn, Titan makes exactly 3. This kind of resonance is gravitationally stable and can last for millions of years. Led by Dr. Matija Cuk at the SETI Institute, the research team proposed a bold new scenario. About 400 to 500 million years ago, there was an additional mid-sized moon orbiting between Titan and Iapetus. Let's call it Proto-Hyperion. As Titan slowly migrated outward due to tidal forces from Saturn, the gravitational dynamics of the system became unstable. Proto-Hyperion was pulled onto a chaotic, elliptical orbit, and eventually it collided with Titan in a massive impact. The collision would have been catastrophic. It broke a long-standing gravitational resonance between Saturn and the other planets, actually tilting Saturn's axis slightly. Debris from the impact scattered across space near Titan's orbit. So how do we know this isn't just wild speculation? The team ran thousands of computer simulations to test their hypothesis, and the results were striking. In simulations where the extra moon became unstable, collisions with Titan occurred frequently. In many runs, Iapetus, another of Saturn's moons, acquired the exact orbital tilt and eccentricity we observe today, perfectly matching what would happen during such a gravitational upheaval. Hyperion rarely survived these simulations intact, which supports the idea that the modern Hyperion formed from collision debris rather than being a primordial survivor. This discovery fundamentally changes how we think about Saturn. The majestic rings aren't ancient cosmic relics. They're relatively young features born from violence and chaos. The moons we see today aren't all primordial survivors. Some are the children of catastrophic collisions. Saturn's system is still young, still dynamic, still evolving. And future missions to Saturn's moons will put this theory to the test, searching for geophysical and geological evidence of that ancient impact. The solar system is not static. It's a dynamic, violent, beautiful dance of gravity and chaos, and we're only just beginning to understand its story. If you found this fascinating, hit that subscribe button for more space science discoveries, and let me know in the comments, what other mysteries of the solar system should we explore next?